Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your eVisa. Remember the deadline was 31st of December, but they extended it to 31st of March 2025. So for those who haven't done it yet, let's do it together. eVisa UK immigration. So we go to this website, online immigration status. Here you can read about this information, what an eVisa is and everything. You can use an eVisa travel to the UK together with your current passport, which must be linked to your UKVI account. That's what we need, this information. Right, why do I need a UKVI account? These are replacing the physical documents. So we need to here. You need to create a UKVI account to access your eVisa and share information about your immigration status and conditions. So let's create the account. Create a UKVI account. Get access to your online visa. This information you can read. Create a UKVI account to get access to your eVisa. Yes, start now. Before you start, you will need to give a phone number and email address you can use again. You'll use them each time you prove your immigration status online. You also need one of the following: a valid passport or your BRP number, your BRP card. This can be expired, which is alright, yeah. So let's start. You can have one of these. Start now. When were you granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK? I was last granted permission to come to the UK before. I came here before. Choose what's best for you. Have you ever had a BRP? Yes. Click yes if you had a BRP but no longer have the physical card. For example, because it was lost or you have sent it back to the Home Office as part of an application. No, I have it here, so it's alright. Do you still have your BRP? Yes. Has your BRP expired? Yes. When did your BRP expire? It expired less than 18 months ago. Create a UK visas immigration account. You need to create a UKVI account to view your immigration status, access someone's account so you can help them get an eVisa, act on behalf of someone who cannot, confirm your identity. You will need the following details, either for yourself or someone you're acting on behalf of: date of birth, BRP, passport. If you want to give someone access, you'll need their email and phone number. Great. No worries. So create an account. Who are you creating this account for? Me. What is your name? My name is Annette. What's your country of nationality? Uganda. Which identity document are you using? You are using the BRP or your passport? I'll choose the passport. Enter your passport details. Country of issue: Uganda. Does your passport have an expiry date? Yes. When does it expire? So put in your expiry date and then your passport number up there. Yeah, I just covered mine. So once you put in the number, just press continue. What's your date of birth? Put it in and then you press continue. What email address do you want to use when you sign in? Put in the email address and we continue. Check your email. You have sent a 6-digit security code. So I got the security code, which is 207485. What phone number do you want to use when you sign in? Just put in your phone number if you have access to it and we continue. Check your phone. They sent a security code which is here, so I'll just put it in 315119. Press continue. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? This could be a friend, family member, or immigration advisor who is helping you. They can access help with any of your visa or immigration applications. No, come on, I'm still normal, functioning properly. Continue. Check your answers before you create an account. So these are the answers that you have put in, and in case you have made a mistake, you have the chance to click change to make any changes. And once you are comfortable with everything, just press that green button to continue and create the account. UK Visas and Immigration account created. We have sent you an email to confirm you have created an account. What you need to do next? You need to sign in to your UKVI account before you can view your eVisa. We will ask you to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. If you have a biometric residence card number, you'll need to provide this if you have not already done so. If you do not know your BRP number, you can use your visa or immigration application number instead. We will use these details to find a record of your immigration status. We will then link your eVisa to your account. How to sign into your UKVI account? You will need your identity document number, your date of birth, access to your phone. We will send this security code to your email or phone that will let you sign in. What identity document did you use when you created an account? Passport. Continue. Put in your passport number, we continue. Fill in your date of birth, and then we continue. How do you want to receive a security code? Send a text message to my number. If you prefer the email, just choose the email. So the code is here, 895230, and then press continue. Page not found. So here, we click to return to application so that we go to this page, your form. You have no recent applications. Don't get scared. To fix this issue, you have to go back to your browser, maybe Chrome or Safari, whatever it is, and then you start the process of creating a UKVI account again. So when you create that account, it will take you to a different page so that you proceed. Otherwise, there is nothing you're going to do about this. At first, I was confused, but I figured it out. So this is what you're going to do. So just type in again UK visa application, then open online immigration, where, and then go down, and then click in create a UKVI account. Once you click in that, then you will go down and click in start now. When were you granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK? Before 1st of November? Yes, perfect. Continue. It's like repeating, but it's all right. Have you ever had a BRP? Yes. Continue. Do you still have your BRP? Yes. Continue. Has it expired? Yes. Continue. When did your BRP residence permit expire? Yes, that's all right. Before 18 months. Exactly. So we are here. Link your eVisa to your account. You have not started yet, so we start this process here. If you don't redo the recreation of the UKVI account, you'll never reach here. So let's start. This is a list of things you must do or fill in one by one. You start from the top one, which is confirm your identity, and once it's done, it will show confirmed, and then you go on to the next one. Let's start. Confirm your identity. You're fetching your form. Yeah, just continue. Does your identity document have a biometric chip? Yes. Your chip is on the front side of your BRP or the front page of your passport. Check you have the right smartphone. That's all right. Do you have access to one of these smartphones? Yes. Continue. Download the app. For those who don't know the app to download, just go to your smartphone and download this purple one. So after downloading that app, just click in it to open on your phone and then continue. How are you connecting the app? QR code, camera access, okay. There we go. So here you are scanning the QR code because you pressed QR code. And if you pressed connection code, they must have given you letters. So you put those letters in here, the connection code area, and then you press connect. Connecting. We need to confirm who you are. That's all right. My number. There we go. I put in the 6-digit code. Continue. I'm on my phone at the moment. App connected. Privacy notice. I just got an email that everything has been updated. You can find out what information the Home Office collects from you and how it uses it, cookies. Okay, start using the app. You are now ready to use the app. You will need your identity document with you. So at this point, they sign you out of your computer where you scanned the QR code or where you put in the connection code. And at this point, you are continuing to do everything or follow the instructions on your phone. So you're going to go through. Just click continue. Those are the few steps. The first one is that using the app. Second one, third one, check your documents information. Fourth one will be about scanning your face. And then you will be take photo of yourself as I will show you in the video. Just watch. Access the chip in your passport. Okay, in that case I need to first remove the passport from this protecting thing. Then I can try accessing the chip. Oh, there is a chip. The chip is here as well. Okay, so access the chip in your passport. Yeah, so on your BRP, your chip is here. And on my passport, my chip is here. So I'm going to access my chip. Continue. Edit scan. So access chip completed. When you are checking the chip, you've seen how I placed my passport. There are dots that are down there. Those dots must complete before it shows you a green line up showing that it's complete. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. For the BRP, it's really hard because we had troubles getting your chip.
Yeah.
I don't know for some reason, but for the passport, it's really quick. So I advise you to use a passport if possible. Scan your face. So here, just follow the instructions they give you. It's really straightforward. You just need a white background. You take your photo, and once everything is done, they will ask you whether you want to continue here on your phone or you want to go back to the other computer. Remember, you can do this application either using only your phone or your computer. I used my computer because I prefer a bigger screen. So I closed this app on my phone and I went back to my computer. So here on the computer, you just have to go to your emails and open the email that account has been created. So just sign in again by clicking in that blue link and continue. Passport, continue. What is your passport number? Continue. What's your date of birth? Continue. How do you want to receive a security code? Continue. Put in the security code. There you go. 214979. Continue. When you reach the front of the queue, you will have 25 minutes to start your application. You should queue on the device you are going to use to apply. If you change devices, you will lose your place in the queue. If you need help using digital services, right, this is my form. Your form, link your eVisa to your account. This is your unique reference number. I don't think anybody should say it. You need to continue. Link your eVisa to your account. Complete the following tasks to link your eVisa to your account. Okay, I thought I finished this. We are fetching your form. Okay. Identity information submitted. Next steps. Continue on this device. Okay, continue. Okay, I see now. Let's finish this, guys, and I think we shall be done. Confirm your BRP. Do you know your BRP number? Yes. What's your BRP number? So we put in our BRP number and we continue. Continue. That's done. Your location. Yes, I am in the UK. Contact preferences. Which email address can we use? Continue. Which phone number? Continue. Check your answers. That's fine. Account security questions. Talking to us about your account. Answer one question from each set of questions. If you need to talk to us about your account, you may answer the questions. No worries. Just read this information, guys. First set of questions. What is the name of the first school you went to? In what city or town did your wedding take place? Oh, come on, guys. What is the first job you ever did? This, I think, it's easier. Teaching. Second set of questions. Give unanswered one of the questions in the set. Short error. Third set of questions. Short error. Continue. I'll take a screenshot of these answers just for myself. You could also take this screenshot in case you forget. Declaration. I am the person doing it for myself and I'm above 18. Click that. Continue. Submit. Last step. We are fetching a document. I submit. Select confirm. Yes, and submit. What happens next? We will email you using the contact email address you've chosen, using your eVisa. Once your eVisa is ready to view, you can use your online services to view and prove your immigration status. Perfect. Finish. Yes. So now this is done. Once it's ready, they will send me an email. And within about 10 minutes, it was ready. So they sent me an email and I went to view it. So here in your emails, you'll have Dear Annette. You can now view your eVisa online, viewing your eVisa. You can view your eVisa here. You'll need your identity document, date of birth, and access to your phone or email for the code. So let's go. Click in this blue link, view or prove your immigration status. Get a share code. So here, who can use this device? View or prove your immigration status. Start now. What identity? Passport. If you are using national ID, it will be like consistent throughout. Even when scanning, that's what you'll scan. I chose a passport because it's easier for me. Continue. Put my passport number. Continue. My date of birth. Continue. Send a text to my phone. Continue. Security code 133 6. Continue. Your immigration status. Oh, look at my picture. I have a very beautiful picture in here. So valid from September this way. So they show you when your visa will expire. Prove your status. If you need to prove your immigration status to someone, you can do this online with a share code. So you can continue getting your share code or not. All this information you can read, proceed, or stop here. I don't need a share code at the moment, but if I'm applying for a job, I can go online and type in how to get a share code and they can take you through the process. Thank you so much for coming along. Good luck. Don't forget to update your visas before 31st March.